How to open CIBC bank account online. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can open up a CIBC bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to open up a CIBC bank account online, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and then just go to cibc.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you go to cibc.com, you'll be redirected to the official website where you have to just select this bank account option here and then just go to the option known as savings, because we want to create a savings account. Once you go to savings option over here, you'll be able to see different sorts of savings account that CIBC Bank offers you. So depending upon what kind of CIBC account that you want to apply for, here in this case I'll just select a personal account and then I'll just click on the apply now option. Once you click on the apply now option, right over here it will ask you for a couple of other details, so I'm just going to click on the get started. So it says me, are you a CIBC client? Of course we are not, so we want to create a new account over here. Now once we've done this, basically what we need to do is we need to simply make sure to enter our first name as well as the last name. Once we enter those, you can also choose to enter your birth date, so make sure to enter your legal date of birth, because later on it is going to ask you to verify with your recommendations and documents and so on. Once you've done this, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your phone number over here. Once you enter the phone number, in this case you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then register. So you need to just tell them where you live and your social security number or your insurance number, your tax information such as the resident of, are you a resident of Canada or not. If you are not, then you have to select not, are you a US person for tax purposes, so you might want to select those options over here as well respectively. And after you've done all this process, you need to just scroll down all the way to the bottom, agree to the terms and conditions, click on the submit option. It will ask you for a couple of other informations on the next page, such as what kind of username and whatever you want to create. After that, your bank account will be successfully created. If you have any further issues, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.